Welcome back. I'm really looking forward to helping you improve your pronunciation. The next core sound we will be focusing on today is the y sound. Okay, let's roll up our sleeves and get into it. Y is a great sound. You can find it in words like year and cute. Y is a voiced consonant sound. It means your vocal cords will vibrate when you pronounce it. Y, y, y. If you check out the IPA chart, this is exactly where you can find it. Now, let's work on your pronunciation. Ready? All right. First, open your mouth a little with your teeth slightly apart. Remember to relax your lips, like this. Then, put the tip of your tongue at a low position behind your bottom front teeth. Next, raise your tongue toward the roof of your mouth. This diagram will show you what I mean. As you make this sound, you will feel a vibration in your throat, right here. Y, y, y. Why don't you give it a try? Well done. Let's practice more. Now, we'll practice the sound with our 3-stage technique. But for this sound, we are going to repeat it continuously 3 times, then twice, and then say it normally. Let's go. Y, 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 y. Why don't you give it a try? Excellent. Now pause and give yourself some time to practice if you need it. People say that practice makes perfect, and I think they're right. So let's practice the sound and words together. Try to listen for the y sound in each of these words. Please say them after me. Here we go. Y, year. It's your turn. Y, use. Y, cute. Y, beautiful. Let's repeat, but this time we're going to use rising and falling intonations. Don't forget to repeat after me. Year, year. Can you do it? Give it a try. Use, use. Cute, cute. Beautiful, beautiful. Fabulous. Sometimes y is easy to identify because you will see the letter Y where you are supposed to make the y sound. Here are some examples. Yes, young, and yogurt. We also sometimes add this sound before the letter U in English, like in usually, unique, and cute. Please note that these are only some of the spellings. As always, check your dictionary. Non-native speakers sometimes make mistakes and drop the y sound. For example, the word year will sound like ear if the back of your tongue doesn't rise high enough. Listen to the difference. Year, ear, year, ear. Please repeat after me. Year, ear. You've learned a lot about this sound. Now let's move on to the next step, using it. Bye-bye.
Your. Yes. Yes. use, use, year, year,
yesterday, yesterday, yam, yam,
yell, yell, cute, cute, few, few, mute, mute, music, music, barbecue, barbecue, amuse, amuse,
immune, immune,
Welcome back! We're going to first read a few words with the y sound. Then we will practice entire sentences. As usual, we're going to practice each word 3 times. First, we will hold the sound for 3 seconds. Then we will maintain the sound for 1 second. Finally, we will say it normally. Here we go. Let's start with y at the beginning of the words. Yet, yet, yet. Yell, yell, yell. Use, use, use. Year, year, year. Young, young, young. Usually, usually, usually. Yesterday, yesterday, yesterday. It's your turn now. Fabulous. Now let's practice with y in the middle of words. Let's go. Few, few, few. View, view, view. Cute, cute, cute. Huge, huge, huge. Menu, menu, menu. Backyard, backyard, backyard. Calculus, calculus, calculus. Now you try. Awesome. Please note that no words in English end in this sound. Great job. Now let's combine these words together and make some sentences. I usually like to view the menu first. I usually like to view the menu first. Can you say it? Go ahead. Brilliant. Here's another one to try. I have not yet studied calculus this year. I have not yet studied calculus this year. That's right, it's time for you to try. Well done. Let's try a different sentence. She knew the young man who was yelling. She knew the young man who was yelling. Go ahead, give it a try. Excellent job. Here's another. I'll use these headphones to listen to music this year. I'll use these headphones to listen to music this year. See if you can do it. Great. Yeah, our last sentence. Go for it. The girl playing in the backyard yesterday was very cute. The girl playing in the backyard yesterday was very cute. Now you try. You did really well today. If you would like some more practice, you can always repeat this lesson. Don't worry, it's normal for pronunciation to involve lots of practice. When you're ready, we'll see you in the next lesson. See you soon. Bye.
Zach could amuse anyone. Few could barbecue as well as Sam. He used to yell really loud when he argued. Yes, she looked cute as a button in her yellow pajamas. In her youth, she wanted to sing yearly at the town Christmas concert. Young girls love yellow yo-yo toys. Your yellow yolk needs a cute fork. You used to use the used shoes that I used to use.
Zach is so amusing.
I'm funnier than him.
Why are you so jealous? You're cuter than him, you know.
And funnier, right?
Well, you're making me laugh right now.
Yes, I knew it.
You know, I used to dream about singing at the Christmas concert.
Why didn't you?
Because I had to use my funny voice.
Then when I'm up there, I'll be singing for you too.
Oh, honey, you're so sweet. Thank you.
My voice, your inspiration.